Okay. In this room that is going to be the new bathroom, I moved the ceiling fan from where it was so close to the wall it would hit when I put the paneling up to the middle of the ceiling. Now I gotta figure out how to patch that up, that hole. Because what I was wanting to do was take the stucco that I cut out for the new position and use that for the patch of the old one, but it broke in half and it's crap. And it's super thin too, so I gotta figure out another way of patching that hole up. Okay, I covered up the hole. Now I gotta dress that up and paint it over. Well, I dressed it up and used texture aerosol spray can. It's really less than impressive, but I knew the difference of color was going to throw my wife. I would have to do the whole fucking ceiling. But anyhow, that's it. For now at least.